time and we wonder why. Do what we can, laugh and we cry, and we sleep in your dust because we've seen this all before. Culture fades with tears and graves, leaving us stunned, all in shade. We have seen this all before. Many tribes of the modern kind, doing bad to the world, same spirit by our side, joining hearts and hands in ancestral twine, ancestral twine. Many tribes of the modern kind, doing bad in the world, same spirit by our side, joining hearts and hands in ancestral twine, ancestral twine. And slowly fade. for.
J'ai le bras, il est en train de tétaniser.
Some waves still peel, there's still some places for the seas. Some oceans are clean, there's still some freshwater streams. And at least for now, there's still some frozen ground. And on the frozen earth, the polar bear gives birth. And for her future we yearn, for her future we yearn. Her hunting grounds are gone, but on and on she roams. And for her future we hope, for her future we hope. And the great creator's songs, they live on in our lungs. And in the roots of the trees, deep down beneath this concrete. And the old people sing for balance and harmony, like in the dreaming days of old, when all the heavy seeds were sown. And of those seeds that were sown, we're all part of the growth. One forest, many trees, many oceans, one sea. And here we are with our smiling faces. And times like these we can celebrate and